Hey, have you ever found yourself needing to print out tons of documents? Not only a lot of documents, but you have a lot of documents in nested folders. So in this example that I've already prepared, you can see that there's a bunch of documents or text files. And this goes for PDFs or whatever documents that you have. So you have a bunch of documents, and then you have like nested folders with more documents, etc. With this script that I'm about to show you, you can print all of these out in just one go. And there's no real restriction in how many documents you can print. Let me demonstrate. So looking at the terminal, I'm in a folder where I actually have the script already installed or downloaded. The only prerequisite that you need is that you need Python 3 installed, and you need a couple of package dependencies in order for it to work. There are instructions in how you can download and use it for yourself. I will put the link below in the description in how you can find it and use it. So the only thing that you need to do is once you've downloaded the script is to point your terminal or your shell into the directory where you downloaded the script and just print Python and just specify the file that you want to run. And in this case, you will just specify print-all.py, hit enter. And then you will need to specify what the base folder is. So in my case, I'll just write the demo folder that I showed you. I think it's this, right? And then hit enter. And then it will ask you to confirm your choices, and in this case it already found 15 documents to print, and it will specify the printer that you have as a default printer, and then you just need to press enter and it will still start the printing process. Or you could hit S and it will show you all of the documents that it found in each subfolder as well. Or you can just press Q to quit the process. So now that I've canceled the process, I can head in and do the same thing again. And yes, let's type in the folder, and this time I'll just hit enter. And you'll see that it will start to open up each file and send it to the printer. And it will keep doing this until the printing process is done. And you will be able to follow the process in the terminal. So yeah, that's basically it. You just have to wait until it's finished, or you can just press Q or escape in order to cancel the process. Pretty easy, right? All right. So the link in the description will eventually lead you to this page where you can find the script. So basically you could either clone it, or you can just download the latest release. And everything is free to use. You have all of the instructions that you need in order for it to function here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Happy printing.